Hello everyone, it is Linda Sims of Lesson Method of Soul Line Dancing of New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am here to present the line dance T&B Pop. The song is Talking the Hardest, the artist is Gigs, and the choreography is WOODHOUSE. If you are someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, if you're interested in step-by-step instructions, just watch till the end and click right here, and let's go.
Snooty, my Charlie, shooting the wall, time to swoop the banana. Chicks looking at me like, talk to me, darling. Hollering at man, winking, smiling, and one more attack, man. I think he's like, he's loving my black gang. Everyone sees same color as Batman. Looking like a quarter of a grip, back 28 with a full of a dish. Anybody thinks they can talk to my kid, well then I'm covered in red like a portion of chips. Pour me a drink. Big fur jacket, that's the force of a pimp. I used to be quiet, did that sort anything? So I had to run right when I bought me a ting. Walk with my things, peddling morphine. Them times then I was licking out more green. Skip couple years, 07 the story. Now I'm hollow man, with some heavy Dior jeans. Bitch niggas looking for glory. Wanna be free so they can tell you a story. It'll get bloody and it'll get gory. Clapped in the neck like a mandarin saw free. Yeah, I got my son there on me. So much shots, I like a weaponry orgy. Reds try and nick me for a murder, but it could have been the man that had the weapon before me. White green, I'll be peddling all free. Drop P a box, it was just under 4G. I told him we the 10s at 2 grams. And we the 8s about 4G. Bad man's on the block. Spender, young hits, mantis and rocks. TB, Tiny, Carlton and Jim Jones holding it down while they handle the clock. Pussy girls got my man them a lot. Straps we handle a lot. Clap your man them a lot. Me and you are cool but you can stand there and watch. My PYGs I put their hands on your watch. Be easy, I put your mans in a box. Young like TV, JJ and shots. I treat my little niggas like fam, not a boss. All my man them a hot. Put your man them a wash. Be couple shots and you ran to the cops. Big 4-5 they couldn't handle the shot. I talk about that handgun a lot, but that one collar man handles a lot. All the black gang from my handle a lot. Me and Foss bagging up grams at the spot. Shots in my grand gear, jumped in my vehicle. All gassed up, now I'ma slide me a rock. Collar man handles his job. Beds on the ground, helicopters on top. Beautiful woman wanna dock to my cop. A beautiful woman wouldn't stop getting caught.
And there you go. T&B Pop. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Do That teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I see you in the next video.
Spooting my money, half of the crowds will snooty my Charlie.